Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to personalize your map on the Lowrance application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this home button down below in the left side corner of the screen. And then tap on this button below the search bar on the right side. That's the first button, and here you can personalize your map. As you scroll down, you can choose the colorways. Here is the default and the legacy options. You can choose the shading, depth limit can be selected on this slide, so drag the slider to change. And here you can set the HRB, which is locked, as you can see, so you need to go premium in order to unlock this feature. You can also turn on the Genesis social maps, and in terms of layers you can set the marine protected areas. Shaded relief, satellite, and the transparency can be adjusted as well on the slide, as well as filters can be added such as soundings, wrecks, rocks, and contours. And you can also set the map layer, the colors such as light and dark, and you can allow map rotation as well. So that's how you can personalize your map. That's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.